Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox the Majorette tune-up series 3. We already unboxed five of this one, and two we got repeated ones, the Mercedes Benz. So let's unbox this one and see what is inside. Hope at least we will get something different. And this time I can't able to guess with the code because the Mercedes Benz one had two different codes. So yeah, I'm not going to assure anything at this point. Okay, let's put this aside for a minute and see what is inside. Okay, we have something different here. Okay, and let's see what is on this side. Okay, fine, let's get to the car and see what is inside. Okay, we have the Volvo. Okay, fine. Let me just show you guys. Let's see whether it's okay. This is also cool, and this is shiny traveler. This is the Volvo V90. Okay, let's see how this looks. I hope I'm just putting this right. Let me just check this one. Okay, here it is. Okay, we need to put it in between. Fine. Okay, got it. And the bottom one, I don't know if I'm doing something wrong here. Okay, that is correct. I don't know why I'm not able to put this. Okay, I was doing wrong. Okay, finally we got it. Here is a closer look of it. Okay, this one has openable parts. You can open the door here and here. You can show the interior, guys. Okay, this one looks actually cool. It's the bottom view. Yeah, it has a suspension and this looks really nice. Let me show you the sticker, guys. Here it is. And let's put this in here. Okay, fine. And here is one more closer look along with the interior. on both sides. Okay guys, that's it for today. So if you like my video, hit a thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe. So it would be great help if you guys subscribe. That would help me in putting a lot more content. So please thinking about subscribing to my channel. And thank you guys, thank you so much. Have a great day. Goodbye.